Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, April 4th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. As you can see, we got just recently a pretty decent deterioration from this zone here, located roughly around 64,471 with the top at 66,000 and 419. So that's roughly around 4,000 euro zone. We've been here for like 1 week, and then it looks like the bulls didn't have enough power to move higher, so the market just broke to the downside. And yesterday we got the inside bar. Today the bulls are trying to break to the upside, but so far no avail. Daily low and the intraday technical support is located at 60,159 euro. Let me just place some line there so we stay at the same page. So this is the intraday technical support. Of course, there's more technical supports here for your disposal. The next one is 56,020 euro, and the last one, and I think the most important one, is located here. The lows of the 5th of the March, located at 54,969 euro. Moreover, what we can place here on our chart is one more line here. This is the trend line, the big trend line, but it's not maybe that much of important, because it's kind of not even 1 month old. So it's not that it's not this level, let's say, of the trend lines. But if we do something like this, maybe now the situation gets clearer. So we got the top here. When we place, let's say, a triangle here, okay, A, B, C, D, E, and then let me just remove it. When we place the triangle once again, so we got the wave A to the downside, wave B, possibly wave C, wave D, and possibly, there you go, wave E. It's not it's not here, so something is wrong with this triangle formation. Triangle. Let me just take a look at my favorite one, which is the Elliott wave formation of the triangle. So top wave A in 3 waves, A, B, C, wave B in 3 waves, maybe A, maybe B, maybe C to the downside, wave C, A, B, C to the upside, wave D, A, B, C to the downside, wave E. And this is the textbook example of a triangle, but it doesn't have to be like this. Okay, so it can be different kind of a triangle. The lower line is only for the for, let's say, oh, there you go, this is supposed to be like that, so that point is not included in the triangle. That's for the technical analysis freaks. Now the one more thing I would like to say is that after the triangle is done, the uptrend should resume. That's a very important thing. So this is how it looks like from now on. And the last thing is that we are in the very good period when the triangle should be made on the chart, because there's only like 15 days to the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving is on the 19th of the April. It's supposed to be on the 19th of the April, so it's a little bit more than 2 weeks to the Bitcoin halving, which is why the triangle pattern might be a perfect price action pattern to let's say, to continue the current situation on the Bitcoin, right? And then wait for while awaiting the Bitcoin halving. Okay, which is why I have chosen this triangle pattern for you guys. That can be very possible to be in progress right now on the daily time frame chart, right? If we get rid of this volume, it's not that important right now. But if we place RSI indicator, right, the RSI, there you go. The RSI should show us, there you go. 50 points has been violated. We are below the 50 points, so we are below the neutral level. Now we entered the negative zone on the Bitcoin to euro. We finally off the extremely overbought market conditions when the upper part of the Batman pattern has been made on the momentum, as you can see here, and then breakout to the downside. Wave A, slight improvement. Wave B, but on a very low momentum, positive but not that strong. Downside movement straight on towards the level of 50. There is a room to the downside. There is a room to the downside on the chart as well, which is why it's supposed to be developing this way. Wave C, wave D, wave E. It should take roughly around 2 weeks to complete this triangle. And if I am correct, if this pattern, if this scenario is correct, then after the triangle is done, we should see breakout to the upside. So that's my scenario to the Bitcoin to euro. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.